Hello, and welcome to J'ai Spatial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an SQM device to a 3D printed bracket. Here are the parts and tools we're going to use. We'll start with the SQM-L and its carrying case, which unfortunately it won't fit into with the bracket attached. And then we have the plastic bracket itself, which I made on a 3D printer. And then there's a knife to move the sticker on the back, which is covering one of the case screws. And then there's a screwdriver to go after the screw, which is a Phillips number 1 screwdriver. And then we have the replacement screws. These are number 4 self-tapping screws by 1 inch long. The existing case screws are 3/4 inch. Now, I got them in Europe where you can't normally get American sizes, and as you can probably see, they're actually labelled as 2.9 by 25 millimeters, but they are actually number 4. Then we have a 1/4 inch nut to attach it to a tripod or a monopod, and finally the optional elastic band. So we're going to start by turning the SQM over and moving this little label or sticker which is hiding one of the screws. And we'll put it back here in the middle. That one came off very easily because it's not the first time I've done it, as it happens. So next I'm going to remove the 2 screws furthest away from the optics. The optics are at this end. We're going to replace these screws with the longer ones, so we're not going to use them again. There we go. Now this bracket is sized so that it fits exactly there, and it leaves the battery cover accessible, so we don't have to remove the battery, the bracket, in order to change the battery. Screw the first one not completely in until we've got everything square and lined up. There we go. So now I can see that it's nice and firmly attached, and as we can see, you can access the battery compartment still. There's another part to go in, which is the nut on the bottom, which allows it to be attached to the tripod. It's a push fit, and the sizing of the 3D printing is very carefully judged so that it doesn't fall out. And finally there's one more optional piece, which is the elastic band, which is used to hold a phone. You don't really need it, but it's there anyway. This part is shaped so it's got a little lip to hold the band, which means you have to stretch the band to make it fit. It doesn't fall off, and it can be stretched across and hooked on there with the phone trapped there. But I actually never use it because I simply hold the phone with my fingers, and that's enough. So there we are, the SQM-L on a bracket. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.